My name's Helle. I am a stylist at Smoke and Mirrors in Baltimore, Maryland, and I'm also an educator for Simply Organic Beauty. Just a couple months ago, I got a message from Rebecca Gregory from Simply Organic asking me to formulate Pantone's color of the year, which is Ultra Violet. I wanted to formulate something with permanent color. We did just come out with the Hmelt drops, which are absolutely amazing. I had a bunch of blank color swatches, and my coworker and I did like a million different formulas to find that perfect ultraviolet, something that wasn't too warm, that wasn't too light, just a very true ultraviolet. And what I ended up coming up with, as inspiration of course from my coworker, was 0.8, which is a true blue pigment from Oway, 1117, which is a level 11 platinum toner with a little bit of the mysterious purple with the Hmelt drops, and the Playful rose Hmelt drops. And that was going to be my base formula. I knew I wanted to do a color melt. That's one of my favorite looks right now. And I started with that darker base color and melted it down with just straight 1117, because 1117 still has some of that violet look to it. And I mean, I'm really happy with the results. They turned out just how I expected to. I had to do a little bit of math with trying to figure out how much to mix for a whole head as opposed to a little tiny swatch. Formulating is one of my favorite things to do. I just ordered like 20 more of those swatches so that I could play with more formulas. My coworker and I pulled up a whole bunch of Pantone colors, and we wanted to recreate them and see what we can do. And what's cool about the Oway color, because we're experimenting with an oxidative dye, we have to just kind of walk away from it because we don't know what we're going to get, as opposed to something like a more direct dye or typical fashion colors that you see like in the bowl is what you get. We were able to experiment a little bit more, and it makes it a little bit more exciting. I'm excited to keep experimenting with color and formulating and getting some new favorites written down, so it'll be fun.